Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we'll show you how to remove the WordPress logo from your website. Whether you're looking to customize your site or simply want a cleaner look, we've got you covered. First, let's quickly discuss why you might want to remove the WordPress logo. Some reasons include increased branding opportunities, a more professional appearance, cleaner design aesthetics. Now, let's dive into the methods you can use to remove the logo. We'll cover 3 different approaches. Method 1 is using the WordPress customizer. Here's how. Step 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Step 2, hover over Appearance and click on Customize. Step 3, look for the site identity or header section. Step 4, you might see an option to change or remove the logo. Simply remove the logo or replace it with your own. Don't forget to click Publishes to save your changes. Method 2 involves adding some custom CSS. If you're comfortable with code, this is a quick solution. 1. Go back to the customizer. 2. Click on Additional CSS. 3. Paste the following code, #WP logo display none. This code hides the WordPress logo. Click Publish to apply your changes. Method 3 is using a plugin. This is a great option if you're not comfortable with CSS. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use a plugin to remove the WordPress logo from your website. Step 1. Install the plugin. 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. 2. Go to Plugins, Add New. 3. Search for Remove WordPress logo or a similar plugin. Popular options include Remove WordPress Branding or White Label CMS. 4. Click Install now on your chosen plugin. 5. After installation, click Activate. Step 2. Configure the plugin settings. 1. Go to the plugin settings. This is usually found under the Settings menu or directly under the Plugin section. 2. Look for the option to remove the logo. Each plugin may have a slightly different interface, but most will have a clear option to hide or remove the WordPress logo. 3. Follow the instructions provided. Some plugins might have additional options for customizing your site's branding. Step 3. Save your changes. Make sure to save any changes you make in the settings. And that's it. You've successfully removed the WordPress logo from your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.